Welcome to this video on the Kenyan Shilling, exploring its history, currency design, and significance as a reflection of Kenyan national identity. The Kenyan Shilling, or KES, originated in 1966, replacing the East African shilling at equal value. The central bank later demonetized the old currency in 1969. The shilling mark notation, X/Y, denotes shillings and cents, copying pre-decimal British sterling notation. For example, 100/equals represents 100 shillings, with the equals sign indicating 0 cents. The portrait era, from 1966 to 2005, featured presidential portraits. Jomo Kenyatta appeared first, followed by Daniel Arap Moi. Kenyatta returned on new series in 2005. A turning point came in 2010 with a new constitutional law. It mandated that currency may depict Kenya's symbols, but must not bear the portrait of any individual. The 2018 coin revolution replaced human portraits with African wildlife. All coins now share the national coat of arms on the obverse and include special textures for visually impaired people. The modern coins feature the giraffe, rhinoceros, lion, and elephant. The different denominations vary in composition, size, and mass, as detailed in this technical matrix. While the central bank validates 50-cent and 1 shilling coins, public perception is that these lower denominations lack real value. As a result, many rural sellers and consumers reject them. Early banknotes, from 1966 to 2004, initially featured Jomo Kenyatta. Daniel Arap Moi replaced him in 1980, before Kenyatta's image was restored on a new series in 2003 and 2004. The 2019 banknote redesign complied with the 2010 Constitution by removing portraits. The new design features the KICC building on the obverse and honors the Big Five animals and national themes. Each 2019 banknote denomination features a unique theme and an animal. Themes range from green energy for the 50 shilling note to governance for the 1,000 shilling note. The 2024 security update for the 1,000 Kenyan shillings note features an enhanced security thread to combat counterfeiting. The update also includes new signatures and was printed by a German firm. The Kenyan shilling's evolution is a shift from the portrait era, focusing on political power, to the heritage era, focusing on national identity. This reflects a maturation of the national story. From a collector's view, items like the 2003 Mwai Kibaki coin are unique rarities. The lion's head watermark traces printing technology advances, and the X/Y notation preserves a link to pre-decimal systems. Created in 1966 for economic independence, the Kenyan shilling was redesigned in 2010 to reflect a modern constitutional identity. It is a masterclass in adapting currency to tell a national story.